everyone's dreams and all. Kill the cancer. Cancer. Hearing the word itself brings a certain fear, pain, tears, guilt, uncertainty for the forefront of the brain. But what exactly is cancer? Cancer is not just one disease. It's a group of diseases where abnormal cells grow uncontrollably, invading and destroying each and every part of the body. They spread through the body through a process called as metastasis. That is why we say cancer is one of the deadliest challenges that the mankind of our time is facing. According to World Health Organization, cancer is the second leading cause of global deaths, nearly accounting to 10 millions of deaths globally and up to 13 lakh of deaths just in India. Common forms of cancers are like oral cancer, lung cancer, breast cancer, prostate cancer, etc. So, to say that cancer is a formidable enemy, but it is not unbeatable. We can simply beat it by going with preventive measures, having this awareness about it, early detection and treatment. So now beginning with the prevention. We always say that prevention is better than cure, and it stands true for more than reason for the cancer. We can take preventive measures just by changing our lifestyle, because 80% of the cancers are due to the life we are leading. The main cause of cancer sometimes be tobacco or alcohol, because tobacco is doing far more dangerous deaths. It causes up to 1/3 of deaths in the whole world. So the first thing we can do is stop tobacco and taking alcohol. Then we can go with changing our diet, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and maintaining a certain exercise. Doing this will strengthen the immunity of a person and reduces the chances of getting cancer. Even simply if you are going out in excessive sunlight, if you put sunscreen and go out, it also reduces the chances of getting skin cancer. Now coming to awareness and early detection. Always we say if something is problem, try to detect it as early as possible, because if we are able to detect something where at a very earlier phase, we can get a high chances of survival. So usually if we go for regular screenings like mammograms for breast cancer, pap smears for cervical cancer, colonoscopies for colorectal cancer, like that we can prevent lot many cancers. We also say sometimes self-detection is very best idea. We encourage women to check for breast lumps so that they can see if they are having any possible chances of getting breast cancer, and men to not avoid any painful persistent urinary symptoms, because they are mostly affected with rectal cancers. And when we come to awareness, we can go to schools, colleges, workplaces, companies, and we can say them more about what is cancer, how is cancer. So by saying them, we are giving them knowledge, we are giving them how to detect the warning signs and to seek timely help. But what if this all didn't work? What if you were diagnosed with cancer? Then comes the role of the treatment. Medical science has done a lot more tremendous and remarkable progress in curating treatment for the cancer. Whether you take surgery options, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, immunotherapy, giving a lot more chances of raised people's hope that they can beat the cancer. Nowadays, personalized medicine has become a lot more popular. It is allowing the doctors to curate your own treatment plan based on your own genetic makeshift. So now, can we say that just treatment is enough to kill the cancer? No. Because when it comes to cancer, there is a certain emotional and societal stigma that is attached to it. When we talk about emotional stigma, we can say because whenever a patient is getting diagnosed with cancer, the first feeling they get is that they are lonely, they are hopeless, and the first thing comes, no, we are not able to survive for longer. So what can we do as individuals? The society can show them compassion, can show them empathy, can give them encouragement. Giving them encouragement and moral support helps them to think, yes, we can fight it. We have many more survivors of cancer. For example, we have Yuvraj Singh, we have Kahira Kashyap, we have Sonali Pimbre. They all got diagnosed with cancer, but their resilience and the will to fight have gotten out of it, and they have done. So in conclusion, I would like to say that to beat cancer, we need protective awareness measures and all of it. And cancer is not a death threat. We can still live peacefully after it. So let's build a world where we can see and fight cancer not with fear but with brain. Let us stand together